Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SBOT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now, this next comment I make is not directed towards the company. I don't know anything about the company. It is being based on how the price is acted. So from a price action perspective, how would I summarize this? This thing's teetering right on the edge of being a total pump and dump. Again, not saying it is a pump and dump, but as far as how the price is acting, things are looking pretty sketchy. And why do I say it's not quite a pump and dump? Well, the one level to keep an eye on, in the spirit of being fair, is right down here around, let's see, what is that? The $1.35 mark. So why is $1.35 important? Well, let's just look at it like this. And I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but this is why it's a pretty big line in the sand. Let's say the price were to come down here and then just break through there and continue on down. At that point in time, what would you have? At that point in time, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was. Again, going back, not to insult your intelligence, but obviously that's not really a good sign, right? Where a price makes a great move and then all of a sudden the price is right back to where it was. Kind of that's self-explanatory at that point in time. Whereas, like I said, to be fair, perhaps the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would that give you at that point? Now, in this situation, that would be giving you a case where you have a set of lows right there, and you have a set of lows right there. And to be fair, well, yeah, you still do have stair steps progressing in the upward direction. Now, I realize that if you're some sort of flipper day trader and you bought up there, then yeah, you really don't care about any of that. But my point is that from the overall chart story, the price does still have an opportunity and to build a higher base, so we'll see what happens with it. But there's no doubt about it, going into next week, $1.35 is a must-hold level, no excuse level for the reasons we've discussed. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.